Remember, if you want to add a movie in your website in BOWWE, it has to be uploaded in YouTube or Vimeo. Collapse the main menu and go to the Media tab. Click on the movie icon. At this point, the movie widget is stuck on your cursor, so hover over where you want to put it on the page. Drop the element and select the widget settings. Paste the URL address from YouTube or Vimeo. Close the setting window. Save your changes. If you want to see how the video works, click on the preview page. Scroll to your video and click on the video.